In today's video, I'm going to teach you remove the Mailchimp logo from your email. If you're building a campaign in Mailchimp and notice a small Mailchimp badge in the footer, that's the default branding many templates include. The good news is, if your account allows it, removing it is quick. Start by opening your email in the Mailchimp email editor. Scroll down to the footer area where the Mailchimp logo appears. Click directly on the logo to select it. Once it's highlighted, press the Delete key on your keyboard, or use the on-screen trash icon that appears in the editor's toolbar. That action removes the logo from the email you're editing. Keep an eye on the preview pane as you do this, so you can confirm the badge is gone from that section. If you click and nothing happens, or you don't see a trash icon, make sure you've actually selected the logo itself, and not just the broader footer container. Sometimes, the logo sits inside an image or content block, so you may need to click once to select the block, and then click again on the logo within it. When the correct element is selected, the delete option becomes available and you can remove it with a single click or keystroke. After it's gone, your email content should reflow naturally, keeping your layout clean and consistent. Now, if you try these steps and the delete option still isn't available, that typically means your current plan doesn't support removing Mailchimp branding. In that case, upgrading your account is required to remove Mailchimp logos and related branding from your emails, as well as from forms and landing pages. Upgrading unlocks the branding controls across your account, so the delete option will appear in the editor and the logo can be taken out without workarounds. If you manage multiple templates or automations, remember that plan limitations apply across all of them, so the upgrade ensures a consistent, unbranded experience wherever the Mailchimp badge would normally show. That's really all there is to it. Click the logo in the email editor, delete it using your keyboard or the trash icon, and if those controls aren't available, upgrade your plan to enable branding removal everywhere. Once the logo is removed, you can continue composing, designing, and scheduling your campaign with a clean, professional footer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you polish your next send.